This box, I have been waiting for months. This company, Napoleon, put out a video with Pitmaster X. They were showing off the new Phantom grill. Lo and behold, they reached out to me. I was so excited. Ever since I saw that video, I just knew I had to have this. So big thank you to Napoleon for making this happen. I'm really excited. This is their newest grill lineup called the Phantom series. Let's get this box open. And full disclosure, this thing has been sitting in my garage for about a week. Every night after work, I'd get home, and this is all I could think about is opening this thing up. Now, on my channel, I've never shown any kind of a gas grill, but that's gonna change today. Let's get this guy open and see what we're working with here. All right. First things first, this looks like a rotisserie spit. That is awesome. We're gonna definitely show you more about this later. And what do we have here? Ooh, that's heavy. So I'm guessing that this, just based on the picture, this is grilling racks. Not sure which ones yet. Let me get this out of here, that's heavy. Okay, right here, very important instructions, owner's manual. I'm gonna put this someplace safe. And what do we have here? Nice. This looks like a grease tray or pull-out tray. Okay, under here, this is very nicely packed, by the way. Ooh, I know what this is. I'm not gonna tell you what this is yet. I'll definitely be showing you that in a little bit. Pull this up, get that out of my face. What do we have here? Looks like the rest of the rotisserie kit, which I did not know this was coming with it, so that's a nice surprise. So that's the motor for the rotisserie. Now we're getting down to the good stuff, the heavy stuff. Let's see what we got. All right, so here is the grill lid, built-in temp probe. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this looks like part of the cart. Got another box over here. It's pretty heavy. Some more of the cart. Get out of here. And so it looks like everything else that's in here wrapped up is gonna take 2 people to get out of here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, get this all put together, and I'm gonna do that off camera so that we can get right to the good stuff. Whoa! And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Napoleon Phantom Prestige 500 series grill. I had a friend of mine help me put this together. It took us about an hour, and he's like, Mike, I can't wait to get one of these. He's in love with it as well. Before I get into all the details, go down to the description box. You'll see a link, which is gonna have all the details to this thing. At the time of me filming this video, it's not commercially available yet, so I don't have all the details. That's why I want you to go check it out in case I missed something. And let me start with this luxurious matte black finish. I really like this. For me, guys, I don't like a stainless steel outdoor grill, and that's because where I live, I don't have a lot of shade. It's full sun in the summertime, and that sun coming down on stainless steel can be blinding at times. That's not gonna be the case with this matte black. I mean, look at how cool this is. I'll bet you if Darth Vader had his own YouTube cooking show, he would definitely be featuring this grill. It's totally his style. I love how it looks, and we know looks aren't everything, so let's talk about some of the features. This is 80,000 BTUs. This is big time power, guys. It's got 6 burners. You can see the 6 knobs on the front, and we'll take a look at those when I lift up the hood. 900 square inches of total cooking area. And right here on the lid, we have a real nice big Accu probe. Very accurate analog temperature dial built in. Right now I've got it on the smoke setting, but if we wanted, we could dial this thing all the way up past 700 degrees. Right here we're showing you the searing range. Nice and big, easy to see, and it's both in Fahrenheit and Celsius. So those of you on the metric system can follow along that much easier on my videos. And let's talk about the control knobs. So I pointed out earlier that we have 6 of them. Right next to each one, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a little icon. It lets you know what it controls. So this one here controls the back rotisserie. This one controls the side burner. This button here turns on the glow-in-the-dark knobs. I really, really like this feature. So not only can you see in the dark, but there's a safety thing here. So let me turn this on. These are all one-touch ignition. So just turn it and burn it. And what you'll notice is that turned red. So I've had grills in the past where I thought I turned the gas off and I didn't. This will let you know. You might think it's off, but it's not until it goes blue. This button here is your single touch ignition for the rotisserie and the side burner. And this next thing is kind of a nerdy thing, but I really like this. So here is your battery pack for the LEDs for your ignition. It's magnetic, so you can slap that anywhere you want up against that metal. And the batteries, it's 3 D-cell batteries that did ship with the box. So there they are. And that's all there is to it. I like that you don't have to plug this into an outlet. And so I talked about the side burner a second ago. So first things first, if you don't want to use it, the lid goes down. You could put a cutting board here, chop up your vegetables, get your burgers ready, that kind of thing. If you do want to use it, this lifts up, and now you have the SIZZLE Zone, it's called. And I really, really like this. So the first thing I'm going to point out, stainless steel cast grilling grate. This thing is super, super heavy duty. Check out that, I'm not sure what the gauge is on it, but it's thick. So you've got two options. One, it sits flat. This is for pots and pans. Let's say you want to heat up a can of beans or something. Or if you want to sizzle, get some sear on a steak going, this lifts up and then it's raised up about maybe an inch or so. And now you can do your sizzling. Underneath this is a ceramic heater that gets real hot, and it's perfectly even across that entire surface. So anything you put over here is going to get a real even, real hot sear. I love that. So I'll put this back down, close this up, and let's talk about the inside of the grill. So we'll go ahead and lift up the hood, and I should note that this grill comes with a lifetime warranty, bumper to bumper. I don't foresee too many things going bad on this. This is all, like I said earlier, this is their iconic wave grilling grids, which are cast stainless steel. Right here, we're gonna remove this right now. This is the rotisserie. So this is the spit. I'll just pull this out so we can get a better look. Again, take a look at these grids, guys. I've never seen anything like that. That is built to last. So I'm gonna get these out so you can see down underneath. So right here we have dual level stainless steel searing plates. And I'm gonna take these off. And before I do, what you're getting here, very even temperatures. It's gonna reduce flare-ups. So we'll take these out and let you get a look. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 powerful burners. And I'll just pull this out for 1 second. Here's your 5th burner. So you've got another powerful rotisserie back here, infrared. And then the 6th burner we already talked about, that was that side SIZZLE Zone. So I'm gonna put this guy in. You're probably wondering what the heck is that? This is the upgraded multifunctional grilling rack. So instead of just your standard rack up here, this is really awesome. So over here on the right, you know what? It just doesn't feel right to not cook something. Let me show you. This will be a much better example. So right up here on the top right, think more delicate stuff. Like I've got a salmon fillet right there cooking. I've got a piece of garlic bread cooking away, some 3 cheese Texas toast. Back here, these are my artichoke spinach dip stuffed mushrooms, sitting perfectly in that little holder. I've got some tomatoes here that I'm starting to get a char on. And then these chicken drumsticks are really looking awesome. Great way to cook those. And now I think you can understand why I'm so excited to have this grill. It looks great, but above all else, the quality. The quality is there. Those cast stainless cooking grids, I don't know what those are, maybe a 1/4 inch thick, maybe a 1/2 inch thick. They're super heavy duty. They're gonna last a long time. I've got the SIZZLE ZONE side burner over here. So you wanna put a great sear on a steak, or you just want the convenience of having a side burner. You know, you could have some pots and pans cooking different things on there on the side. Infrared rear rotisserie burner, night light control knobs with SafetyGlow. And then of course the matte black finish. I love that. You get sunlight coming down that's blinding on stainless steel. So I really, really like that. And hey, please check out that link down below. I really believe in this company. I want you to see it, get all the details, check the pricing. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. That way you'll know when I start cooking on this, you'll be the first to see it. And definitely check out one of those 2 videos right there. They're Napoleon videos, and I'll see you over there.